Welcome to my YouTube channel. The algorithm says there exists unique Q and R. That means now we have to prove that Q and R is unique. Now you choose Q1 R1 as a pair, similarly Q2 R2 as a pair. By assuming this, we will prove that Q1 equal to Q2 and R1 equal to R2. Okay? Let's see. Let us assume that A can be written as B Q1 plus R1, where R1 is less than B or greater equal to 0. Similarly, A is equal to B Q2 plus R2, where 0 less or equal to R2 less than B. So we assume that A can be represented in two different ways. That means we assume that Q and R is not unique. Okay? That's why we get Q1 R1 as well as Q2 R2. Now we have to prove that Q1 equal to Q2 and R1 equal to R2. How? So both are A, therefore BQ1 plus R1 can be written as equal to BQ2 plus R2. Now if you calculate BQ1 minus Q2, and this will be R2 minus R1. B will divide the whole thing, as this is the whole equal to this R2 minus R1, therefore this will imply B also divide R2 minus R1. Okay. But one thing you have to know that A divides B. This implies if and only B is greater or equal to A. That means A B को डिवाइड कर रहा है, मतलब B या तो A से ग्रेटर होगा या तो इक्वल होगा. मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता है 2 डिवाइड्स A इन इंटीजर. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि ग्रेटर नंबर कोई छोटा नंबर को डिवाइड कर रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. तो इंटीजर में क्या होता है कि अगर A B को डिवाइड कर रहा है, इसका मतलब B या तो ग्रेटर होगा इसे या तो इक्वल होगा. तो इसमें इसका मतलब क्या है, या तो B ग्रेटर होगा R2 माइनस R1 से, या तो B R2 माइनस R1 से इक्वल होगा. बट वी सी दैट R1 less than B, R2 less than B. So these and these both together imply R2 minus R1 also less than B. But this implies this. But this is a contradiction. क्योंकि we know R1 less than B, R2 less than B. मतलब इसका जो डिफरेंस होगा R1 R2 वो B से छोटा ही होगा. B से छोटा होगा मतलब ये जो क्वांटिटी B से छोटा हो रहा है, मतलब B इसको डिवाइड नहीं करेगा. But we consider A equal to this and this together imply this, which is contradiction. That means this cannot happen. That means we will get Q1 equal to Q2 and R1 equal to R2. That means there exists unique Q1 and unique Q and R for two integers A B where B greater than 0 such that this happen where R less than B greater equal to 0. So this is the division algorithm. ठीक है? So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.